Very good morning to all the students who are watching this video. I hope you are well and fine and safe at your homes. Let's begin our online lecture for class 7th. So yesterday, day before yesterday, in the last video, we had studied about a poem, The Arrow and the Song, and we had studied the meaning, and we have just had a brief summary of the poem. So today we are going to do some extras. Let us see what extras we have. So on book page number 14, as you can see over here, on page number 14, you'll find just after the questions, we have also done the questions, I suppose. So just after the questions, there is appreciating the poem, and the topic is metaphor. What is a metaphor? Okay, so let us read. Let us read. The arrow in the poem stands for the hurt that the poet has caused his friends. When the poet uses words that are not to be taken literally but convey another meaning, he uses a metaphor. A metaphor is a comparison between two unrelated things. Okay, what is a metaphor? A metaphor is a comparison. So what is a metaphor? Let us have this highlighted. Metaphor is a comparison between two unrelated things. Okay, so where he uses, for example, here the arrow in the poem stands for the hurt that the poet has caused his friends. So we have the arrow. Yesterday we studied that how the arrow vanishes in the air. Okay, it disappears in the air. In the similar manner, what actions we do and what words we speak through our mouth without thinking, just instantaneously. So it is just like an arrow, and the arrow here stands for the hurt. The poet has been described in the poem the hurt that he has caused his friends, okay, by words or by actions. And this arrow is mostly by words, and we on the other part we have also seen the other part of the poem, but here right now we are talking of a metaphor. So what is a metaphor? Hmm? A metaphor is a comparison between two unrelated things. दो ऐसी चीज़ों का comparison जो बिल्कुल आपस में मेल नहीं खाती, जो बिल्कुल नहीं मिलती. For example, आप नीचे देखें, for me, he is a lion in battle. युद्ध में वो एक शेर है. I am drowning in a sea of grief. What it is written over here? I am drowning in a sea of grief. मैं डूब रहा हूँ. कहाँ पर? Sea of grief. So right now, sea of grief is a metaphor. He is a lion. Lion is a metaphor. The snow was a white blanket. White blanket is a metaphor. Snow and white blanket does not really actually relate together. Okay, so now we go through the things. For example, I have done two for you. Read these sentences and underline the metaphors. She is as wise as an owl. Owl is used as a metaphor. He is a shining star. So here, shining star is used as a metaphor. Similarly, you also have to find out these words from 3 to 8 metaphor. This is your SW, self work. आज के लिए जो self work है आपका, वो A जो exercise है, उसके अंदर 3 points से 8 तक you have to find the metaphor. Now, moving towards the next part of the extras, we have rhyme scheme. हर एक poem, every poem is having have a rhyme scheme. Okay, so if we see over here, rhyme scheme refers to the order in which an end word in a line of a stanza rhymes. जो आखिरी में एक शब्द आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ वी सी ओवर हियर, whose words those are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. So though और no, आप एक साउंड आपको सेम सिमिलर आ रहा है. ये जो साउंड है आखिरी शब्दों का, the last words of the stanzas, okay, last words of the particular line of the stanza, end words which actually relate to each other in terms of sound. So ये दर्शाता है राइम स्कीम. ये सेम सेम है, तो मैं लिख देता हूँ ए और ए बिल्कुल सेम साउंड है, तो हम लिख देते ए ए, सेम साउंड. एंड देन the third line, he will not see me stopping here. Not matching, B. To watch his woods fill up with snow. A. Oh, though, no. So इसका rhyming scheme कैसा है? A, A, B, A. Okay. In this stanza, next, another example is here. At the bottom of my garden, there's a hedgehog and a frog, and a lot of creepy crawlies living underneath a log. So इसका साउंड हम कहते हैं ए है, इसका बी है, इसका सी है, तो अगेन इसका भी बी है बिकॉज फ्रॉग एंड लॉग मैच करा है. सो हाउ इज व्हाट इज द राइमिंग स्कीम? ए बी सी बी. कभी कभार देर इज नो राइमिंग स्कीम, तो उसकी राइमिंग स्कीम आप कैसे बोलोगे? ए बी सी डी. सिंपल, ए बी सी डी ई, ए बी सी डी. एक भी वर्ड्स, लास्ट वर्ड्स डज नॉट रिलेट टुगेदर इन टर्म्स ऑफ साउंड. उनकी आवाज़ दोनों की सेम नहीं लगती. जहाँ जिस पोयम में आखिरी शब्द जो होता है, आखिरी शब्द उसकी आवाज़ जब साउंड सेम होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पर फ्रॉग जो सेकेंड लाइन है, देयर इज अ हेजहॉग एंड अ फ्रॉग, और जो इसका ये वाला वर्ड है लिविंग अंडरनीथ अ लॉग. So these words are relating together in terms of sound. और जैसे ये हो गया तो उन दोनों की राइमिंग स्कीम एक हो गई. So for example, फर्स्ट लाइन का राइमिंग स्कीम ए है, देन सेकेंड लाइन का राइमिंग स्कीम बी है बिकॉज इट इज डिफरेंट. ओके, अगर सेम होता तो मैं ए लिख देता. गार्डन की जगह कुछ ऐसा होता, लैंटन या कुछ इस तरह से होता कि जो गार्डन से रिलेट करे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर यहाँ क्रॉलीज है सी, और यहाँ पर होता लिलीज या गॉलीज या इस तरह से कुछ ऐसा होता, तो यहाँ पर सी सी हो जाता. बट यहाँ पर ये भी मैच नहीं करा है, तो ए बी एंड इसके लिए सी, एंड देन यहाँ पर लॉग, तो ये बी से मैच करता है, फ्रॉग एंड लॉग. सो वी हैव रिटन अगेन बी. सो इस तरह से यू हैव टू फाइंड द राइमिंग स्कीम ऑफ द पोएम. ओके, which poem? The poem that we had did, the arrow and the song. I'll show you one part how you have to do. So let us jump into the book directly. We'll go to the first page. मैं जो first page पे first lines है, this is from the another poem. I'm taking this. Okay. So stick and stones may break my bones. इसकी rhyming scheme A. Last word owns. owns, तो वो साउंड ध्यान रखना. बट वर्ड्स कैन ऑल्सो हर्ट मी, मैच नहीं कर रहा. बी, ए एंड बी. स्टोन्स एंड स्टिक्स ब्रेक ओनली स्किन, doesn't match. A B C. While words are ghosts that haunt me. So me and me जो साउंड था वो मैच कर रहा है. So there is a rhyme scheme A B C B. इसका भी B है. Okay, so in the similar manner you have to find out the rhyming scheme of the poem Arrow and the Song, and we have 1 2 3 stanzas. So you have to find out the rhyming scheme of the song, of the Arrow and the Song. Okay, so this is your assignment for today, self work. You have to find the rhyming scheme. There is no particular assignment over here right now. I have not written it. So okay, so this is the earlier thing that we had given you. So today what assignment you are having? You have to find the rhyming scheme and you have to do a exercise 3 to last. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for viewing the video and thank you for staying at home. Stay safe, stay at home, study at home. We are with you, we care for you. Have a nice day.